Hello, welcome to my English Learning Corner. Today we are looking at part 5 of verbs. And verbs are words that describe an action or something you do or are doing. So at the moment you are watching this video, so you are doing something. The first word we will look at is got. So what does got mean? It's the past tense of getting or receiving something. So when you get or receive an email, then you've got mail. You received mail. The next one is run. Run means to go faster than walking, and both feet leave the ground for an instant. It can mean that you are trying to move fast. The next one is walk. So to move along on both your feet. So walk will look more like this instead of running or run, which is this. Then we have began. Began is the past tense of begin or start something. So I began this video 2 minutes ago. That is to began or to start something. Next we have grow. So if you start to grow, you are born and then you become a toddler and then you become a child, then you become a teenager and then an adult. So there are layers of growing. Or if you plant a plant, then the plant will start to grow and become bigger. Next we have took. These characters took a picture. The past tense of take something from someone else. We can say that I am taking a picture now, or we can say I took a picture yesterday. So past tense is took. We have carry is to hold something or someone in your hands, your arms, or on your back, and to transport it to a new location or place. If I carry my eraser from this side all the way to this side, then I have transported it from here to here. Next we have hear. To receive or become conscious of a sound by using your ears. If you listen with your ears, you can hear. Next we have stop. Stop. And this is to finish doing something that you were doing or not continue to operate or not move. So if you tell me to stop, then I stop for a second. Next we have miss. Miss is to fail to do or experience something, often something planned or expected, or to avoid doing or experiencing something. If you are trying to throw something into something else, it's empty. So if you have this and you try to drop this in here, if I throw it next to it, it missed. But if I try it again, oh, it missed again. So that is to miss. Next we have eat. Eat is to take food and put it in your mouth and chew it. And lastly, to swallow it. To eat is to chew and swallow. To watch is to look at something for a period of time, especially something that is changing or moving. If you are watching me on the video, you can see me moving, you can hear me talking, and you can see the pictures on the screen. So you are watching me on your device. Next we have cut. Cut is to break the surface of something or to divide or make something smaller using a sharp tool. So here we have a knife and it is cutting onions. In this section we have talk. So talk is the same thing as I am doing at the moment. I'm using my mouth to move and form words out loud so that you can hear what I'm saying. That is to talk. And lastly, we have leave. Leave means that you are going out from one place to another place. So if I do this, then I am leaving. You see, like that. I am leaving. To leave is to move away from or to move to a different place for some extended period of time. I really hope that this information has been of some help to you and that you have a lovely day. See you soon.